Hello everybody, my name is Matthew and welcome back to another reaction video. Today we have more Infinity Train. Episodes 7 and 8 came out last night. It is now genuinely early in the morning, but I'm pretty good actually. Starting a reaction video in 3, 2, 1. Ooh. Okay. Jelly beans?
This is my cocoon now.
Fucking 1-1.
Oh, everything is chrome.
Everything is chrome in the future.
Oh, this card is cool. Okay, it's weird now. Oh, okay.
No, I don't remember.
My new haircut, didn't you notice?
No, look, my reflection isn't working with me. I'm not broken. Whoa, you're
What?
alive? No,
What
I
the
can't-
fuck?
I can't just stay here.
This is so weird,
Okay,
but
on
cool.
three.
What in the fuck?
Chrome.
I didn't say I was going to switch.
I knew it.
Bamboozled by my own reflection.
We've been duped!
Duped.
Bamboozled!
I don't have to eat your stupid onions anymore.
Okay, the onions is
I'm
fair.
gonna explore the world on
The
my own.
the onions
I'm gonna
are
touch a
weird.
tree or like- You called the flex on me? You little
The
jerk.
flex. What the fuck? This is a cool episode.
Hey.
Okay, all the episodes have been cool, but this one's just interesting. What in the fuck? Oh, uncomfortable. Well, you got a jelly bean at least.
Hey, I don't like asking for help when I have a problem. I guess I should. But
Yeah.
you should be talking to
Communication.
Oh, Miss Tulip, we're melting people.
So,
What the
what's new with
fuck?
you?
me now. I'm out. Okay, time to stand on your own 2 feet, please.
Christ, you're just killing these guys. What the fuck?
I'm going my own way now. Okay.
Hopefully they're a reoccurring
I need this
character.
glove. Good luck, Tulip Prime.
Yeah, take off the glove. Dude, show the number. What's the number? Take off the glove. What's the number? What's it at? What's it at? What's it at? Oh! Oh! That's the amount of episodes left. Now is the time to panic. We still don't know what happens when that number hits 0. Death approaches.
If I do say so myself, oh, death approaches!
I'm just gonna hop into the next episode right now. Panic mode. Panic mode. I'm still going with what 1-1 originally said in like episode 1, that the number could be counting down to Tulip's death. I'm still sticking with that theory because there's not really evidence for anything else. Starting up the reaction video in 3, 2, 1. Ooh, pie charts. Panic! 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 Numbers at 3. You are way too calm for that number being at 3. You are way too calm. Oh, ball pit car. That's the name of this episode. You're having way too much fun here, Tulip. You're probably about to die. You're gonna regret that fucking statement. This is a red herring. Something horrible's about to happen. Dude, shut up!
Everything we have dealt with as a team. I have never questioned
Teamwork,
our
yeah.
relationship, the latter of which I value more.
Aww.
And all of the cotton is rushing to my head.
Sorry, Mr.
I
Bottoms.
don't think that's how
I'm
it
Tulip,
works.
and-
Something's gonna go horribly wrong this episode, isn't it?
We're also heroes!
Okay, I guess that works. I guess that works. I guess that works.
We'll put that one down as a team effort.
Wait, I saw a shadow thing.
Twice before.
This episode's way too cheerful and happy. Something's gonna happen. Something unbelievably horrible is about to happen to these people. I saw it again! Shadow! Shadow! Shadow in the window! I fucking saw that! Demon Spider Saiyan's Eye Freak is here! When I saw the shadow the first time in the episode, I thought my eyes were playing trick, but that one was pretty obvious in the fucking window. Yeah! It's here!
Right now!
Yeah, run! Fucking run! Run! Run, 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 run! Uh-oh! Oh, God! Run! Run, 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 run!
It has been an honor, but now is the
No.
time for you to save yourself.
Atticus, don't you dare! No, 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 no! Atticus, stop! Stop, 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 stop! Bad dog, bad dog, bad dog! Good dog! Damn! What?
This would have been so much easier for all of us if you had just stayed put.
What?
Instead, you go through
The
car after car.
fuck?
Where's the robot?
One.
Run!
I knew it was connected! Atticus, yeah!
You will cease your journey
Why should I listen to you?
because I am the conductor.
Conductor. What are you doing? Oh my God!
Miss Tulip!
Run! Run! Run, 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 run! Atticus. Fuck. Holy shit! This show has some balls. Fuck! So that means those same creatures from episode 1, were they also people? Or something? Something with sentience? Fuck! Atticus is fucking dead, basically. Jesus Christ! And that's the conductor. The conductor is a piece of shit, man, honestly. Tulip's number's at 3. Atticus is basically dead. We know who the conductor is. 2 more episodes come out later tonight. And that'll be the last episodes of this event.
We're in the end game now.
Fuck. Hope y'all enjoyed. Fuck. I'll see y'all in the next one.
You will cease your journey
Why should I listen to you?
because I am the conductor.
You're a poopy head. When we spell it out, you're a poopy head.